Welcome to our factory. Today, you'll show you exactly how e-waste is recycled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Watch the left side, lower it slowly.
Okay, moving this pallet now.
Every piece of e-waste is carefully inspected to separate hazardous components from recyclable materials.
Watch the large casing coming through.
Okay, I see it.
We're really moving through this batch.
Yeah, the morning crew left us a good flow.
Battery removal is a critical step to prevent environmental contamination and ensure worker safety.
Flight path 2 confirmed for inbound shipment, ETA 0700.
We have a priority alert on Sector 4. Rerouting required.
Override accepted, alert cleared.
Bring the next load over to Sector 4.
Copy that, moving now.
Strict safety and environmental standards guide every step of our e-waste collection process.
Watch the metal casing on this line.
Okay, moving it to the heavy bin now.
X-ray inspection ensures hazardous components are identified before further processing.
Hazardous materials are segregated to prevent environmental harm and ensure safe recycling.
Look at the contamination graph. It's exceeding tolerance.
Increasing throughput on sorter 3 and adjusting the pressure differential. There, stabilized.
Maintaining safety and cleanliness is essential for efficient and responsible e-waste sorting.
Check the voltage on Module 7.
Reading stable at 3.8 volts. Proceed with extraction.
Removed batteries are stored securely to prevent fire hazards and environmental risks.
Thermal inspection helps identify damaged batteries that require special handling.
Pass me the next one, please.
Here you go, watch the edges.
We're almost through this batch.
Damaged batteries are handled with extreme care to prevent contamination.
Did the yellow bins arrive for the circuit boards?
Yep, they're over by station 12. Make sure the memory is separated. This one goes into the blue bin. Careful with the connector.
Okay, I got it.
Strict safety protocols protect workers during manual dismantling of electronic devices.
Almost done with this batch.
Okay.
Yeah, this blue one is full. We need another bin.
hazardous components are carefully extracted to ensure safe recycling.
Item 3B is complete and within tolerance. Logging the data now. The plastic density reading is stable now.
Good. Keep the flow consistent on line 3.
The schematic shows a potential bottleneck here.
Yes, the laser alignment needs adjustment before the next phase.
Chemical treatment neutralizes hazardous materials, making recycling safer and more efficient.
This one is ready for the staging area now.
All right, I'll move it over with the others. XRF analysis guarantees the quality and purity of recovered metals.
Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the environment during PCB processing.
The sorting algorithm seems optimized on this line.
Yes, the throughput has improved since the update.
Check the label. Those are nickel cadmium. Right, bin 3.
Chemical processing extracts metals while neutralizing hazardous substances.
Okay, that's secure.
Good, log it as container 42.
Handling the lithium residue now. We need to double-check the containment seal before transport.
Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the environment during battery recycling.
Put the LCDs in the blue bin, separate from the glass.
Understood. Right here.
Strict safety and environmental protocols protect workers and the environment during screen and glass recycling.
strict safety measures protect workers in this high-risk environment.
This one goes to bay 3, right?
Yes, confirm the manifest before loading.
The circuit boards look perfect, ready for assembly.
Confirmed. The new sorting algorithm is improving efficiency by 20%.
Every component undergoes rigorous quality testing before packaging.
Everything seems correct here. Yeah, let's move this to the next stage.
Monitor the weather patterns over the Pacific. Adjust speed accordingly.
Alert resolved. All shipments back on schedule.